All right, so for now, I am, uh, I've got this RSI, and now I have to work on the Cartesian product of it. And so what I'm going to do now is look at the free version and take a look at how that works, except the problem is that on the free version now, the CCXT doesn't work because they changed their thing. And I need to look at that. And then from there, I'm just going to like stop looking at the free version and look at the other one um, for now. And that also reminds me that I need to go into here and the print statement here. Um, and then after I get the Cartesian product, I don't know if I should do it in a way where it's like very simple, where it's a function. I don't know. This is the part where it's like, oh yeah, I need to see how this is returned in vector BT because I don't know. Um, and so um, I guess what I could do is just download data from Yahoo or Binance, bbt.binance. Data got I think it's like this. This work. Let us see. Let us see. No module named Binance. What do you mean? No module named Binance. I think I just need to look into how to see it. Um, so basically what I'm actually going to try to do here is I'm going to do pandas data frame to pickle. So try this. And do data dot to say pick. Okay, so I guess we can try to do this. We I don't know. I'm gonna record again when I figure this out. I'm noticing on the other version that he does not actually return this candle. He excludes this candle, which makes sense because this is the open time of the candle. So how do I do that? How do I exclude the very last one? Exclude the very last one. Oh, an easy way is you can drop the last row. I'm going to delete the last row. This. In. Let's say in. There we go. All right, makes sense. Got it. Got it. Got it. Um. Okay. So now, what do I have to do? I have to get the Cartesian product. So right now I'm looking at the other version and it is seeming pretty complicated. Um, uh, Jesus Christ. Um, yeah. I'm still just looking through it. Holy Christ. Yep, still looking through it. I'm not sure if the other version is like this, but this seems like unbelievably complicated. But I mean, I guess that makes sense when you're trying to make a program for like 50 bajillion different people. So I think it might be better for me to just do my own itertools thing and do it very, very simple. Okay, so I just went through the whole process, and holy Christ, is it massive. Um, and I don't really know what I just watched. Um, hmm, what did I just watch? I don't know if I should look at the other version. Hmm. Then I have to figure out how to download the data. I really don't want to download the Binance or. I think it still works though. If I just create a if I just do this, and then I do this, and then dot read 30. I just do this. Should be able to then do this. Just as complicated. Maybe it is. Well, it looks like in this version, it's spitting out the same exact situation as the other version, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the same situation. Okay. Oh. What is this? We are in IPython core. Okay. So let's try this again. Factory. Holy Jesus. Yeah, in the other version we had the same run pipeline thing, and this is where it just got insane. All of this is just so insane. The run pipeline is how you broadcast everything. Yep, so obviously we come to here. So if we look at this, we can see that we have our params list. Yep, this is the way it was last time. Param map. And so here is like the new columns. This is the index. So you have your multi-index. So that makes sense. I'm not exactly sure where we go next. Here, then it's like you unpack the results. Yep, this is the way it was in the other one. Yeah, so you know, like what the hell does any of this stuff mean? Is this overly complicated because of just how robust this is? I think it has to be. Um, Run pipeline. So I'm basically going to have to get very, very familiar with this indicator factory. Let's see here. Indicators, indicator factory. So we have the same exact information here. And this is what I was looking at last time, where it's just going to have to be because this is what I'm going to have to do if I want to be able to combine. So this is like the ultimate goal of where I need to get. So obviously I need to be able to create the backtester that works, buys and sells and all that simple stuff. And then in here, this is where it's just going to get insane. So we're at run pipeline. There's a part that I don't. Oh, I guess this is it. All right, I really don't want to look into any of this because this is way beyond my pay grade right now. Um, so yeah, I think are just going to have to do a very simple. The only problem is, well, yeah, we'll do a simple one, and then from here I need to be able to learn how to return like the indexes, so that way I can do this. Um, I need to be able to do this, and then eventually, what we do is we do this. So now you have the RSI below, the RSI time period, and all this other stuff. And then that way it can eventually just get returned. And so, yeah, this is going to be nuts. Man. That's funny. You think really? uh, mm. Oh shit. Uh, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a Cartesian of this, and then I'm gonna have to turn it into a data frame. All right, so I don't know where I left off, but I remember I was stuck on this point forever because this was showing up. If I remove this part right here, this was showing up as like this, these zeros and zeros and zeros all over. And I was like, why the hell is it showing up as zeros? And then I realized that I needed this bool here because this turns the zeros into ones and the ones into zeros and falses and trues. And so I was sitting here for an hour trying to figure out why this is not working, why this is not working, why this is not working. And then I finally realized it was because I have to set this to bool. Because when you're dealing with this, I guess it automatically sets the data type as a that's the part that didn't make any sense is that this was true and this was false. So I guess it automatically sets the empty as I wonder if you can create empty array. Empty like. So let's see here. Default is numpy float 64. There we go. There it is right there. Well, empty like. Data type overrides the data type of the result. I wonder if I do zero empty like, what does that do? Empty. Huh? Too many indices for a one-dimensional array, but too given. Oh, prototype? Oh, I guess that's not true. So I did not know that. I did not know. What if I said R sign below ones? Ah. So I guess if I have it set to ones. So I guess maybe from now on I should just do, well, no, I should remember this from now on, but I have to set this as bool. Anyways, so that's done. But now the problem is, obviously, I have no idea what this is. So now I need to figure out how to do the multi-index thing. I need to figure out how to turn. I need to figure out how to grab these time periods. I need to figure out how to create the multi-index. How do you do this? So it's data.close.index. How do I create a multi-index? I really gotta take a pic. So here we got this. Multi-index from tuples. But then there's how do you get this? The name int 64 index. Oh, you can do this? Int in the what? Int 64 index. And this. What? How do you do this? Try row equals df.index. How do you create this? How do you create an index? This. Anyways, I gotta research this. Damn, your boy did it! Damn! So I just realized that you have an index and then you have a columns and you have multi-index. This should be multi-columns, multi. Because I thought this was this, but you can still have the multi-index, um, which is oh boy, where was it at? Yeah, you can still have a multi-index. I'm not exactly sure how to do that though. I guess you'd have to, anyways. Um, yeah, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Fuck, man, I'm so hungry. And I have this headache. It's pretty good shit. Insane. Man, I am so hungry. Well, I'm not hungry. I just got this headache. I need to go get some headache medicine. All I have is a headache. I don't have anything else really than this damn headache. Damn headache, but I did it. So now I have to figure out how to take this. I'm not even using this zip thing here. Well, this is going to be bad. I would have to make a list of lists. Okay. Because this is a list and this is a list. So I'd have to make a list of lists. So inside of here, by list of lists, I mean something like list of lists. And then I'd put that here. And I just have to append this, and then I'd have to get the name of this and get the time periods, and then I'd have to get the name. I don't know how I'm going to do this dynamically. But, yeah. Wow, that's insane. And then here, I would just need to grab this. And then here, I need to grab whatever it is that I chose here as well. Oh, boy. I need to go to the grocery store, or I need to go to the CVS to get some headache medicine. Or maybe I'll go to Bonds. Damn, I did it. Wow, this is nuts. So what I'm learning here is that the columns, you need it to be columns. The index is the index, and the columns is the columns. So here, this is an index, this is an index, this is an index. I think I need to change this to open. That is so insane that this works. So insane. Now I've got to go through the problem of trying to figure it out with polars.
I mean, I don't know, man. Every game I do is do to just get out draft the ball. I have drafted 2 games and I'm just getting
Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. The only problem here is that I need to figure out a way to do these things separately. So I need to do this first, then get that data frame, just like how you have over here, right? You get the RSI data frame, and you have the time period. Then I need to do this, and then I need to concatenate both of the data frames together. Which I'm not sure how that's possible to do. Is this the entries? Oh, this is the entries. So this is the same thing as this. Looks like the time period is second. So I guess let's swap these things. then now,
Then if it's called another chapter and it's called like a really short.
is this even gonna work? Nope. All right, so we've got our entries. 28 columns. All right, I need to go get some headache medicine. Oh, I'm gonna die. Actually, I think what I need to do is build the function like he has over here, where it's like qf.talib.rsi.run open price, and then well we have this run and then we send it this information. Or I need to figure out a way to
How does Spanish link work?
so for I and range this temp RSI. So I guess all I would need to do is create a function where I send the temp periods and then it'll create the temporary RSI and it'll do all of this. And then it spits it out in a data frame. And then I need to take that data frame and send it into this. But I guess that's where the whole, oh shit, I'm on the wrong thing. But I guess that's where the whole self thing comes into play. Oh boy. Oh, I don't feel like. I guess it's like I don't feel like doing this indicator stuff right now. I wanted to finish the I wanted to finish the simulate thing, but really that's not gonna happen. So I'm wondering maybe with the my quote unquote pro version that I have, all I need to do is just take this simulate and move it over to this free version here. Because I've basically updated all of this stuff. Well, I guess I need to do all of this and then move it to main once it works, and then move the simulate over to the dev and then just work on the simulate. Because how is the simulate even any different than the I guess the simulate is all number or numpy or number. This takes the account state stuff. I don't even know why there's a difference. Anyways, I need to go and get some headache medicine or I'm gonna die. Oh god damn it, I hate feeling like this. Because I just don't want to do anything. I drank so much water last night. Um oh, I drank so much water last night. But yeah. Boy, boy, boy. I really got to think about I think what I can do is make a function called get RSI entries. and then I'll have the person send a list of your time periods, and then RSI, I'll call it like RSI below entries. RSI below entries. And so here we'll call it and we will require time periods is a then we'll have this as below. This is not an array, it's just a list. Yeah. And here we would need prices equals tp.array. No, this is a series. And then we will return this. So then we'll make this here, make this here, and we shall make C this. I don't know what C is going to be called, what it should be called. And then from here, time periods equals this. And then below ranges equals this. And then equals this. And then now we have to do prices.shape, prices.shape, time period, low ranges, prices. Bam. Boom, bam. RSI below 30. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. So we do not need any of this. Now that means we do this, and we put that in the base. And you will return not have. What? Why does this work here? Wait, I don't even have an init file for base. How is that possible? Lib. Why the hell? I have all of that. So in my typing, how do I have a series? That doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense. Oh, pandas import series data frame as frame and index. Why does the series thing? Let's see. Okay. Data frame. Pandas array. Series frame. Pandas array. Need to go to typing. Oh, array like could be series or frame. Oh, that's why. So if we go here, it's just frame, not data frame. So that means now we reset this. We delete all of this. We import the base. Base. Hello. Bam. Increase equals this. Got it. All right. So now we are close, 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 close. Mm. 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 Right. Now that we have that, we need to go back to the cart signals and this. Run all this shit again. So we can see what the hell going on. Does this need to be dot values? Wait, why is it like this? Open. Oh. Values. Okay. My win rate is always 50%. This is all of the okay. Oh shit, I do have that information. But for some reason, this information is not changing. Wait, it is slightly. Total trades is 2. Hmm. Is this real? It might be possible that it's real. $30. If I do that. What happens? Oh, I gotta turn on number. Oh, what? Float object cannot become an integer. Okay. Let's do 3. Let's do 3. Let's do this as 3. And we shall see. We shall see. Actually speeds this up. Good lord, this is taking forever. Good lord. Good loud and loud and loud and loud. How long is this gonna take? I don't know how many this is. It's a different amount of combinations. Oh, there we go. $39 trades. Three. 2025. RSI below 20. Damn. Okay. I swear, didn't I have something that like printed out the plot? Oh yes, I do, but that's in the updated version. Right. So I guess everything works. So now I've got to turn off number. Let's see what happens when I turn off number. Or turn on the number. Let's see. Holy shit, that was fast. So why are these percentage gain percentage is only 5? I could have sworn to God we had way bigger last time. Could have sworn it was huge. I could have sworn it was big. Like it was smaller. Looking at this, I am so unbelievably hungry. Being so small. Matplotlib is required for plotting when default backend matplotlib is selected. The Jane Panda's plotting backend. Thing that you can do. Yeah. Hmm. I could have sworn these gains were so much more. Oh, we do have this. 53%. Still 1% gains? Out of 17 trades, a 20% win rate? Risk reward 4 to 1. The win rate is so bad. Oh, that's because I also had the gains. I had the gains filter on as well, I think. So here, oh, the other one has the, okay, so it has this. That's why. So, let's do the same thing here. Equity, oh. Look at that. Mm, OG account state. Okay. What? Equity? OG account state dot equity. So then we do that, and then we say, what? If gains, if the gains percent is greater than 30. See if that works. Wah wah wee wah. Wah wah wee wah. Equity. Oh, I'm returning the equity. Mm. Oh, I guess I have to do account state dot equity. Maybe. Oops, I'm on the wrong. thing here. Ah, there we go. 20% win rate. 100? Maybe we'll put it at 50. 50. You heard me? We'll put it at 50. You heard me? Bye, y'all. A 1? A 0.01. Oh my god. How does that even work? And you have a 50. How does this even work? That'd be so funny. 20 and 20. RSI below 20 and 25. That's interesting. Anyways, this shit here works. So boom, bam, boom. Boom, bam, boom. It works again. So I don't ever want to feel like this again. I feel like absolute garbage. I don't want to do anything. I don't feel sick or any. I just feel so lethargic. I just feel so, and it's raining all day today, and my stomach is doing what it's doing, and I'm hungry, and I gotta pee every 5 seconds. This is just a bad idea. So, I just don't want to do anything, and so this was a very, very bad idea. Um, so yeah, I gotta make sure that I eat properly, go to sleep properly. But I don't even know where we're at. Um, movies outside like this. Um, oh yeah. What happened to my where did I put the I put RSI below entries in base? Why did I put that there? Any sense? I should put RSI below inside of custom. So CCXT data. I guess I should look and see what he did. So what is the process here? Let's take a look at this. Okay. So if, oh boy, we're gonna have to deal with these indicators right now, and I don't want to deal with that. But I guess it's gonna have to be done. I just feel like it's so much more confusing than just being able to get this thing to short and long. But I have to do all of it. Well, I have to do this first because if I don't do this, then the user can't download any data or create any. So this has to come. So vbt.talib.runRSI. Indicators. Init. What? Indicators basic. Shortcut to this. VBT. The hell? What the hell? So func name RSI upper RSI. How do we even get func name? From talib func name. Oh, so you have class func name init quargs. Okay, so that's this. So then we make it uppercase. Okay, talib function get attribute talib dot RSI. Okay, info abstract. Okay, dot function func name dot info. Okay, info is that. Okay, in for in names in input names dot values. Is this info dot values? What are the values? In names close. What? I guess all I need is the close. Info input names. Oh, input names. Oh, values is okay, so the key is price and the value is close. So input names, okay. Class name equals parameter names. I feel like I should go for a walk now while it's bright outside. It's really bright outside. param names is time period. List info parameters dot keys. Info output names. Real? Info output names real. So you have to use real, I guess, when you're using tlib. Is that what I did previously? That's interesting. Okay. And output flags, info, output flags, real line. Okay. That's interesting. So now we're applying the function. Tlib functions can only process one. Okay, so we didn't actually do it because it wasn't called. So tlib indicator equals class merge dictionary class name dot from apply func return tlib indicator. Run pipeline. Oh boy. So we came all the way down to here. Oh, this is the run function. Is it? All right, first of all, let's just do this. We don't even do that? Oh, we do come here. Now we come here. Hmm. I think I have a little bit of an understanding of how this works. RSI.real. So here we're actually running it. Okay. I need to eat something. I need to go outside. I need to eat something. I'm just dead right now. I think for today, it'd probably be best to just learn a little bit about polars and try to turn the that's okay. Try to turn it into this. Try to just take this, do the multi-index. Yeah, just start with just start with polars and moving everything in the base to polars. I swear to God, there's something else in here. Oh yeah. There's this, and then there's this. So here, we'll do both of these. And then we need to do the yeah. Polars, here we come. Alright, so I'm trying to use polars, and they don't have any indexing at all. There's no indices at all. And so you can't do this multi-indexing thing. You would have to have a time row, a time period 15. This would have to be like a combined thing that says RSI time period 15, RSI below 20. That would be a column. Then each one of these things would be its own column. So I guess at the end of the day, it's not really any different than pandas. It's just that this time period would be here, 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 here. And it would say, instead of having 15 once, it would have 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, with the word time period next to it. And then here it would be below with the name next to it. Because I think the way it works is like this. And so it would have to have, the name. It would have to have something like what this guy was saying here. It would have to have something like this. Whereas RSI time period 15, RSI below 40. And so I'd have to concatenate. So for each, I guess, for each one of these things here, every single time I did this, I would have to also append a list of some sort. Because here we have column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I have to figure out a way to name these. And then also I have to append a index to the beginning of this thing. And so I think maybe in the very beginning I would have to do that with the index. And then here the column, just the name is gonna be so ugh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, I guess I need to really actually, as much as this is going to be annoying, I really need to make sure that I learn how to use this thing because if we look here, it says basic questions. Input table of 100 million rows, 7 columns, 5 gigs. 43 seconds. It takes pandas 628 seconds. Holy Christ. 1 billion rows of 9 columns, 50 gigs, 143 seconds. Pandas out of memory. Oh my god. Yeah, and then the speed is just yeah. Uh it's just these naming conventions could get disgustingly big. So how, yeah, I guess the filter, then the other question would be like, all right, well, how do I filter this if I want to see, like, if I'm up here, right? And I want to see all of the RSI time periods of 15. Then that's easy in pandas. You just RSI time period 15, and then it shows you all that. But in here, how the hell do you do that? I guess the answer is somewhere in here. Uh, I think I watched this video. So I just talked to one of the guys in here, and he basically said that if I have a flat column name that does something like this, then in polars you just do a search feature that says if return me all of the columns that have this inside of it, so that way I can see all of the ones that have 15, and so on and so forth. And so I'm not exactly sure how easy that will be to translate over for regular users to use. Because if there's a data frame and you know I don't know, but I mean obviously this is just I gotta just get used to it. Um, anyways, I'm done for the day. I gotta go walk Max in this rain, and then man, do I really want to do this polars thing? But I guess it's gonna be faster. But oh god, how am I gonna deal with this columns and multi-index thing? This could be an absolute nightmare possibly. Because with each one of these things, I would have to, I don't know how I would do it. Because if, let's say I was going to run this through Numba, well, then how would I keep track of the names of these things? But I guess, I guess Pollock doesn't even do that. He maps everything beforehand and saves all the quarks and saves all of the everything. Then he throws all of the values into the number function, and then that's where you do all the for loops and processing. Then when you spit it out, then that's when you go through, and so it's like you'd spit out all of these trues and falses, and then from there you would then take your list and then just write over it. But I mean that's basically what he's doing anyways. So anyways, oh boy. Because this could be Number. Could this be Number?